All right, so this is a really fun tutorial here, and it's super simple. I'm just going to show you how to find your Facebook pixel, which is the key to Facebook intelligence. All right, this is super simple. Everybody has to do this. You only have to do it one time. That's it. You only have to do this one time. And then you just simply copy and paste this little phone number looking code over to your Shopify store. It's really simple. All right, so you got to come to your dashboard of Facebook. So that's where we're at right now. We're on our Facebook advertising dashboard. You need to log into your ad account, okay? So you can see we're in a clean slate ad account, right? And when you get here, if you look up at the tip top, there should be a menu or a toolbar. Some people's accounts look different. I know I've said that in a lot of videos, and it's because, Facebook looks a little different in some countries. For me, it's up here. And all I have to do is simply click on this little three dots, the ad where it says Ad Manager, and it's going to pull down a menu. Okay, so go ahead and find your menu and pull it down. And once you do that, you're going to see all of these options, okay? You might have to hit all tools right here for it to pull everything up. And just look for the one that says Pixels. For me, Pixels shows up right here. And they also have it a second time over here under like this Assets column. So just click on Pixels, and it's going to take you to your Pixel dashboard. All right, now if you don't have your Facebook Pixel set up, once you click on the Pixel menu item, it's going to bring you right here, and it's going to say Set up your Facebook Pixel, okay? And up here you might see where it says Conversion Tracking Pixel Old. Ignore that. All right, that's the old. It's like really old, and eventually Facebook is taking it out. All right. So don't even worry about this column right here that says Conversion Tracking Pixel Old. All right, what you want to do is create your Facebook pixel. It is so simple. All you have to do is come right here where it says Set Up Pixel and click this button. And once you click on this button, Facebook is going to say, how do you want to install your pixel code? Well, right now, all we're doing is we're just creating it, right? We're not necessarily installing it on Shopify right now, and there's another tutorial that will show you exactly how that's done. But anyways, what you should do here is just hit copy and paste the code. So let's click this little button here. And once you do that, it's going to pull up this little 3-step process. And I think they've done a phenomenal job with this here. It really breaks everything down for you and helps you understand what's going on, okay? So step 1 is just install the pixel base code. You can completely ignore this, okay? You don't even need to do this. Just scroll down, okay? Because Shopify has made it easy to install your pixel, especially if you're using a app like Pixel Magic, which I talk about in the app arsenal to install your pixel. It's super easy, but I'm gonna scroll down. Now, Facebook is gonna show you like all of this crazy gibberish code and all that. Totally ignore it, okay? Totally ignore it, all right? You're not going to use any of this right now. Okay, so just go ahead and hit next. And once you hit next, they're going to pull up 2.1 here, which is going to say copy event codes. You're not going to need any of this. It's just them walking you through how everything works. But you'll see here some of the things we may be discussing, like view content, add to cart, purchase. But all of that with Shopify and apps like Pixel Magic, you don't have to worry about any of this custom stuff. It's all going to be pretty much done for you. So thank goodness, right? So scroll on down, and it's going to have one other little section of stuff that it's going to tell you about. Just literally just ignore all of it, okay? And go ahead and hit next. Now, Facebook is going to now create your pixel, and it's going to say, you're going to see where it says check pixel status. And it basically shows you, how you can tell if your pixel's active. Right now for you, it's not going to be, right? For you, it's not going to be active because you haven't installed it yet. All we did was just walk through the process of activating our pixel, like telling Facebook, hey, go ahead and create this. So at this point, you can either hit close or you can have them email you instructions. We're going to go ahead and hit close. All right, now once you've done that, all right, once you've finished just going through their little random setup process that you're not going to use, it's just necessary just to get to the screen right here. you're going to see your Pixel dashboard. And this is a pretty cool little place to hang out and watch, because it shows you all sorts of activity that's happening on your store. Think about the Facebook Pixel as like a Google Analytics, right? It tracks your visitors, what they're doing, where they're coming from. It's really cool. And right here in the center, it's going to show you all the activity over the last 7 days. So people visiting your store, how many visitors you've had, so forth. Over here on the far right, it's going to have the name of your ad account, and it's going to say your ad account name, Pixel, right? And then you're going to see where it says Pixel ID right here, and it's going to give you a little string of numbers. It's longer than a phone number. It kind of looks like a credit card number, really. I have to have mine blurred out just for, privacy issues. And all you have to do is copy this over to Shopify. Now, you'll see in one of the upcoming videos on installing your Pixel, Shopify has their basic way of allowing you to install your Pixel, where you copy and paste this code. It works, but there's a couple of downsides to it. And then you'll see also there are apps that will do cooler, more advanced things with your Pixel that will allow you to track more and just get more out of your marketing, like Pixel Magic, which there's a video on. Either way, it's up to you. All you have to do is copy and paste this little ID right here into either Shopify or a Pixel app like Pixel Magic. And you do one or the other, okay? And your Pixel will be installed on your store, and it will have a green dot next to it. And that green dot means, okay, we found your Pixel is properly installed. We see your Pixel is on your store. So all you have to do, once again, I just want to clarify, is copy and paste this little Pixel ID that looks like a credit card number over to your Shopify, and there is a video on exactly how to do that. This video is just to show you where to go, to find your Pixel, and explain this dashboard a little bit, okay? So like I said, this is a really fun place to hang out. If you scroll down or look down here, Facebook will track the different events that are happening on your site, the websites that they're visiting, the domains, the devices that they're coming from. What I want to do real fast, because this is a clean slate here. I mean, we're done. We've created our Pixel. That's it. Now, from now on, if you want to get to this dashboard, you just go up to your menu up here at the top left, and you find the menu item that says Pixels, and poof, you're back here. And you can just come here and, look at everything and look at the stats. And it's, like I said, it's fun to watch. All right, let's jump over to an active Facebook account though, so I can show you what the Pixel dashboard is going to look like once your website it's tracking all of the activity on your website. All right, so I just switched to a different Facebook account, and you can see here it's going to show me data from the last 7 days here. So it tells me that my Pixel has fired 4,300 times. So this is the total amount of activity that's been tracked on my website in the last 7 days. All right. And also you'll see over here that there's like a little notification box. They show different things here every now and then. All your data is up here, like your Pixel code is at the top right. Now let's have some fun. Let's scroll down to where it says events, URLs, domains, and devices. All right, so we've scrolled down, and now you're going to see a couple of menu items here. And right now what it's doing is it's telling me how many people have visited my site, how many people have viewed a specific product, how many people have added a product to the cart, how many people have actually purchased, and how many people initiated checkout, which is basically people that are adding their credit card number in, but have not purchased yet, right? You have to add your credit card number in and then hit buy, right? So Facebook is able to track what people are doing on your Shopify store, all the way from just visiting a page to viewing a specific product, to adding a product to the cart, to initiating the checkout where they can start putting in their credit card number and stuff. That means they're real serious about buying, to actually purchasing. And this is about what it should look like. You should always have more page views than anything else. Then you're going to have more people that have viewed a product than have actually added it to cart. And then you're going to have less people actually initiate checkout and less people buy. It's always going to go down, 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 because people drop off, before they purchase. These are skewed numbers because this is a little, play account. But anyways, you're able to look at all of this activity. and it's site-wide, so it's really cool. Now, the next option is URLs. So this option here shows you what URLs, basically what pages on your website are getting the most visits. So look at this, geargrabber.myshopify.com. That's my home page. It has the most visits. But then you've got 249 people that have visited the cat lovers collection, the fishing gear, the wine lovers. See, these are all my website address, right? And the pixel is tracking how many visits each category on my site's getting. That is amazing, right? Same thing with domains. If you have different domains that you're marketing on, it'll track that. But if you're just using one Shopify store, there won't be anything here. Then devices. Devices basically tracks where is your traffic coming from. So the Facebook pixel is so smart, it can tell if people are visiting your store from a desktop computer, an iPhone, an Android, an iPad, a tablet, a Windows phone. I mean, look at that. That is so cool, right? So this pixel now is able to tell me what devices people are shopping on my store from. So 214 people in the last 7 days have been on my website with their iPhone, right? And people on laptops and desktops are obviously the majority, 3,900 people. So it's really amazing what you can do here in the Pixel dashboard once you have just copy and pasted that little, I guess it's like 10 to 12 digit code that Facebook gives you to your Shopify store, but you're going to see in one of the next modules exactly how that's done. Facebook immediately starts tracking all of this stuff, any and all traffic. It doesn't matter if people are visiting your store from Google, direct type-ins, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. It tracks anybody and everybody that visits your store, okay? It is like Google Analytics, but it's for Facebook. And all you have to do is copy and paste it over to your store, and you instantly start getting all of this interesting and fun information, and it really can help you with your marketing. So make sure that you go create your Facebook pixel. They have changed this dashboard maybe like 10 times. So when you get there, you may see a slightly different screen, but the same information is always going to be displayed. They might just kind of move it around, or they might make the button for creating your pixel different, right? Facebook is always testing and changing things, but right now this is what it looks like, and they shouldn't change it too much from this. I haven't seen them change it in a while. So that being said, go ahead, create your Facebook pixel. Now the next step is to install your Facebook pixel. So make sure you watch the rest of the modules, and you're going to need to decide if you want to install your pixel the basic way that Shopify allows you. It takes 10 seconds to do it. Or you want to supercharge your pixel by installing an app that basically takes your pixel and does some other cool stuff with it, which you'll see later on in a video. There's various apps that do it. Mine, the one I developed for myself, is called Pixel Magic. So you can do it either way, but you'll see that on another video. This is just to show you the dashboard, to show you what's here, how to get here, and at least how to create your pixel. All right, that's it. I'll see you on the next video.